Hi guys, just had a package delivered into Portimao. This has come from Bosswerk in Germany. This is a couple of solar panels for to put on my gantry. Now because it's so high up, I didn't want any old solar panels. I wanted these because they're Ultra Lites. I don't know, I've never seen them, I don't even know what they look like yet. But there's two solar panels there with the packaging. It's only 12 kilo. They're about just over 5.5 kilo each. So that's really what I wanted for the top. They're supposed to be 25mm thick. So we'll see once I get them out of the package. That's the back of them. They come with the cables as such. Naturally I've opened upside down. Has a very lightweight frame. Not really much to distinguish them from other panels apart from they don't have glass. No glass. It's just a polycarbonate and they're very lightweight. That is absolutely fantastic because I didn't want to add like 25 kilos away high up on my sunshade. Yeah, it's basically exactly the same as any other panel, apart from it's upside down. And add to that. I was a bit worried when I ordered these because I thought, oh god, I might have ordered the wrong ones, because it actually says in the description that they're flexible and can be walked on. And I thought, oh no, that's not actually what I wanted. I wanted something that's kind of semi-rigid. But this is actually exactly what I wanted. So I'll show you them again fitted later. Single-use plugs. That's it, it won't come out again. Same with the caps, when you screw the cap on. There's no way you're unscrewing that. Completely watertight. Both for solar panels. So the only thing now is to bring the panels out, put them up. I've got the brackets passing on top. These panels are so easy to put up because they're so lightweight. Because it's now in the sun, I'm going to connect it up. So that's slit out, put positive, connected, negative, connected. Now we produce some power.
It's twisted, Alfie, huh? The cables are twisted.
That doesn't matter. I can pass it up the pole and across. Once I've got the hot air space around them. Rack mounting system that makes it so simple to fit solar panels. You have this tube, you can either mount it that way or that way. Mine's mounted that way. You basically just slip that in like so. That goes over the side of the panel.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Turn that down.
That's neat.
And that's held.
Sexy. bought them panels at Bosswerk in Nettetal in Germany. We've purchased other stuff before for solar systems.
We purchased all of our solar from them. Solar
Yeah.
batteries, the inverter.
Yeah.
This part here takes longer than actual fitting. We're on shore power here, so we're fully charged anyway, but at the moment with the one panel we're generating 5 amps, 67 watts, 68 watts at the moment. I'm going to connect the other panel up and see. It's now went up to 158 watts and nearly 12 amps. It's not bad, so over a 10-hour day with decent sun we should get 120 amps, 100 amps, it's more than enough.
Yeah.
For a day, that's fine. That should keep the batteries fine.